can be immediate in terms of finding lesser taxes on the cost of fuel and all that, because it still does not solve the situation. In my opinion, the situation needs to be sorted out by going directly to what can save Kenyans a lot of money. And you can imagine when the cost of fuel is at 200 plus, the cost of transportation, particularly for the common person, transporting things, going for trading, going for different purposes, travel, is too expensive. And this turns around to the pocket of the already poor community. What can we therefore do? It may look far-fetched, but look at a very practical example. Driving into this place in a green car, it has costed me a total value of 20 shillings in terms of the value of cost of my energy to get to this place. It may look far-fetched right now, but we also have buses that are electric now. If we can keep moving in that direction to save Mwananchi the much that we can, because let us agree and let us face it, the cost of fuel, it is not just an issue in Kenya. It is not about President Ruto. It is not about the government of Kenya at the moment. I have just quoted it and said that it is an issue. Even in Japan, it is at its highest, which is at about 100, close to 190 Kenya shillings, if not more. And therefore, we must look, without having to blame each other, to try and support a process that can help Mwananchi to save more. Mwananchi to be able to deal with the cost of living in the best way possible. So my suggestion is that we need to start that journey. It's a long journey. How in the meantime can we be able to protect Mwananchi in the reality of things? Because it goes up here, it goes up anywhere else in the world. What can we be able to do? There is a fiscal issues that must be created in the process. How are we going to meet with the balance? How are we going to buy our medicine? Those are things now that we need to deal with. And no wonder. I have sticked my neck towards a direction that we must start looking at, of changing some clauses of the Constitution, because some